What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. In today's video we will go through some compounding steps using the moving average indicator. First we need to select the moving average. Go to the indicators and select the moving average. I accidentally selected another indicator, so I deleted it. Next, go to the moving average settings and select the 25 EMA. Choose a color according to your preference. I selected green with a 2 pixel thickness. Then, in another setting, select the 50 EMA. I chose red with a 2 pixel thickness. Now, let's find a trade using the moving average. I have $10 in my account, as you can see. I will start a compounding session with just $10 and my target is $10,000. Let's see if we can achieve our target with the help of the moving average. I'll take trades on the OTC market with a 1-minute time frame. Let's find a trade. I will not use any support or resistance levels. I will rely solely on the moving average. Here we have a trade opportunity and I placed a $10 trade on American Express OTC. You can see a solid uptrend and one red candle broke the moving average. That's why I took this trade for an upward move in the trend direction. Let's see if we win this trade. Always remember, when trading with the moving average, trade in the direction of the trend, not against it. We have about 30 seconds left and currently our trade is in our favor. The uptrend is strong, so I don't think we'll lose this trade. With just 3 seconds left, it looks like a win. Yes, we won our first trade. Our balance is now $19, up from $10. Let's find another trade for $19 on the OTC market using the moving average. Here the candle took support from the moving average. Let's try Tesla. I got a good entry and placed a $19 trade for an upward move. The trend was down, but the candles broke the trend and moved up. That's why I took this trade for the upside move in the trend direction. Our trade is currently in our favor. We still have 30 seconds left and it looks like a good win. With just 10 seconds left, it's a win. Our balance has increased to $36. Let's find a trade for $36 on the OTC market with a 1-minute time frame. We are looking for trades based solely on the moving average. There were many trades available with support and resistance, but we are focusing only on the moving average. I checked the normal market but didn't find any suitable trades. I got a trade on Tesla OTC for a downside move. I placed a $36 trade on Tesla OTC for a downward move because there was a solid downtrend and the candle broke the trend, then retraced from the moving average. That's why I took this trade for a downside move. The trade is in our favor and I got a good entry. We have 30 seconds left. With only a few seconds remaining, it's a win. Our balance has increased to $69. Let's find a trade for $69 using the moving average. We have a trade opportunity, but the moving average is too far. So let's wait. Okay, I placed a trade on Apple OTC for $69, betting on a downside move. The candles broke the moving average, and the trade has now retraced from the moving average. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. I entered a little below the ideal entry point, which might be a mistake. Let's see if we can win this trade. Currently, the trade is in our favor with 30 seconds left. This looks like a good trade. I don't think we will lose this trade, but with 18 seconds left, the trade is still in our favor. With only 3 or 4 seconds remaining, let's see. Okay, we won this trade as well. Our balance has increased to $133 from $10. Let's find a trade for $133 on the OTC market using the moving average. We can consider Netflix, but the moving average is too far. I'll focus on Netflix OTC. If I get a good entry, I'll place a trade for an upward move from the moving average. Let's wait for this candle to close. This looks like a good trade with a solid uptrend and the candle coming back to the moving average. I expect it to take support from the moving average and continue the trend. I'm waiting for a good entry on Netflix OTC for an upward move. I'll place the trade for the upside move after this candle closes. Okay, I got a good entry for the upside move and placed a $133 trade on Netflix OTC. The candle closed at the entry point of my trade. We need this candle to be green to win the trade, and currently the trade is in our favor. The pattern looks promising with 22 seconds left. It seems like a solid win. With only 10 seconds left, I don't think we'll lose this trade. Okay, I won this trade too. My balance has increased to $241 from $10. Let's find a trade for $241 on the OTC market. I look at cryptocurrencies. I found a trade opportunity and placed a $241 trade for a downside move on Polkadot OTC. The moving average and resistance aligned with my decision to take this trade for a downward move. Let's see if we can win this trade. Currently, the trade is in our favor, and we need this candle to be red to win. With 30 to 40 seconds left, the trade is looking good. It's reversing exactly from the moving average. With only a few seconds left, it's a win. We won another trade. Our balance is now $462 from $10. Let's find a trade for $462 on the OTC market. I found a trade on ExxonMobil OTC for a downside move. I placed a $462 trade on ExxonMobil OTC, betting on a downward move from the moving average. You can see a solid downtrend, and the candle broke the moving average. That's why I took this trade for a downside move. Currently, the trade is in our favor with 40 seconds left. Avoid trading against the trend. We need this candle to be red, and with only 10 to 12 seconds remaining, the trade is looking good. With just 2 seconds left, it's a win. My balance is now $887 from $10. Let's find a trade for $887 on the OTC market using the moving average. I hope you guys have learned a lot about trading with the moving average. Let's find a trade. I found a trade on Polkadot and placed a trade for the upside move worth $887. Previously, I placed a trade for a downside move. Now, the candle has broken the moving average and retraced to it. That's why I'm taking this trade for an upward move. It's a retracement trade from the moving average. Let's see, currently the trade is in our favor with 38 seconds left. However, the trade isn't going our way right now, and we still have 30 seconds left. This is a good trade. It's a retracement trade. I don't think we'll lose this trade. It's starting to revert back, and the trade is moving in our favor with only 15 seconds left. The candle is taking support exactly from the 25 EMA. With just 1 second left, it's a win. We've won another trade. Our balance is now $1,703. Let's find a trade for $1,703 on the OTC market, focusing on cryptocurrencies. We don't have a suitable trade there, so let's look at other assets. I found a trade opportunity on Facebook OTC. I placed a trade for an upward move on Facebook OTC because there is a solid uptrend and the candle broke the moving average. The next candle provided a good entry, so I placed a $1,703 trade for an upside move. The trade is currently in our favor. The candle was reversing when I took the trade. We still have 35 seconds left. Notice that I place all trades in the direction of the trend. Remember this when trading with the moving average. With only 10 or 12 seconds left, the trade is looking good. Just a few seconds remaining, and it's a win. We've won another trade. Our balance is now $3,270 from $10. Let's find another trade. We need just 2 more trades to reach our target of $10,000. I placed a trade on Polygon OTC for an upward move worth $3,270. The candles broke the trend and moved into an uptrend. Now the candles are coming back to the moving average, which is why I placed this trade for the upside move. Let's see if we can win this trade. The trade is currently in our favor with only a few seconds left, 23 seconds remaining. Now, just 14 seconds left. Okay, it's a win. We've won another trade. And our balance is now $6,278. Let's find a trade on the OTC market for $6,278. We need just one more trade to reach our target. I need to find this trade carefully. I don't want to lose my money. Let's look at cryptocurrencies. I found a trade on Bitcoin OTC for an upward move. It's similar to previous trades, a downtrend that turned into an uptrend, then back down, and now moving up again, taking retracement from the moving average. Let's see if we can win this trade. The trade is in our favor with only 37 seconds left. We need this candle to be green to win the trade. This looks like a good trade. I don't think we'll lose it. With just 15 seconds left, the trade is still in our favor. Only 8 seconds left now. And it's a win. We've won another trade. Our balance is now $12,054 from $10. I've achieved my target. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe and comment down below. If you want more informative videos like this, share your opinions about this video in the comments. If you want to earn with me, you can text me on Telegram at @BBinary Support. Also, if you want to become independent trader, you can purchase our course by simply visit my website binarytradingexpert.com. In this course, you will learn lots of strategy patterns and some secrets about the market, so don't forget to check out my website binarytradingexpert.com. See you on the next video. Bye.